we have new launch, and that is Huda Beauty Empowered Palette. Yesterday she announced this palette, which will be available on October 3rd on her website and worldwide as well. Today I have no makeup, and this palette reminded me of one of my previous looks that I've done, so with the color story and everything, and I will also post a link to this video if you want to see and check the whole tutorial. And before we continue, I know this is another one talk about products video, but hopefully tomorrow my Danessa Maris palette will arrive, so I cannot wait to try that one. It's been a week already, no, even over a week since I placed my order, but unfortunately it's been shipped like 2 days ago. So anyways, I cannot wait to review that one, so we'll get in that palette in next couple of days. So the price point for this one will be $67. We'll get 2 gel hybrid eyeliner shadows, which are new, 2 high shine wet metallic, also new. What is also new is 1 pressed flake gold, and then we have 2 powder metallics and 9 powder matte. We have lots of mattes in here, and what I can see, we are again leaning towards a bit warmer shades. Orange/peachy shades. Half of this palette, I could say that it's leaning a little bit more on a cooler side, but on that side we do have 2 what it seems to be hybrid eyeliner shadows. So we're not much left with a cooler tone. So in general, this is actually palette is leaning much more towards warm colors, which I personally am not that much excited about. But with these different textures, and especially these eyeshadows that you can put as an eyeliner, I would love to try that. And also this new formula, which are high shine wet metallics. I wonder how this one will perform. Apparently this is supposed to be the best palette they released to date. Everything we need in one palette. So when we look last couple of years, so we have Rose Quartz, Naughty, and Mercury Retrograde. This one out of them all is, I would say, the darkest. It's not that it's dark palette, but within the palette we have some new formulas. So it's not just an eyeshadows. Previous one were much more lighter than this one that it's apparently going to be launched. Now let's talk about these 2 different formulations. This is Charisma and Limitless. On a tutorial that she made, yes, they do look, well, she combined 2 eyeshadows, but they look so shimmery and glossy. And yeah, now when I think about it, she also mentioned that shade Manifest, which is combination of a gel and eyeshadow. I don't know how that will work. It's supposed to be much more somewhere in between, actually, because we do have gels and then we have mattes like regular eyeshadows, but we'll see how this formula actually will look like. Apparently it gives you stickiness and a little bit of gloss, and the effect has to be much more intense than from your regular shimmers, but how they do on a eyelids, we'll see about that. Again, I'm excited about these 2 gel shades. You know, in most of my tutorials I do use a base before I go with the eyeshadows, because it can give you such a depth, so you can create so many stuff with it, especially if you are regarding of this palette you're using multi-chromes, then I really do like to go into deep, most of the time black base for that, because it gives you the most intense look, shifts and everything you need in a look when you're looking for a punch of color. Packaging, I am actually not excited about it at all. It's not something that I'm excited about, not at all. I do like the inside of the palette, and again, the most important thing is the product performance, because if the outside packaging is the only thing that is good, then what are we gonna do about it, right? Also with this palette, it's not just about the palette, we have the whole collection coming out, and it's a legit lashes double-ended mascara in limited edition packaging. An all new face gloss with gold shimmers. So this whole collection is, I would say, gold based. Like, I see that the whole theme is going from the idea of gold. Our Wishful Eye Lift and Contour Mask with a bold gold empowerment statement. The Ultimate Lip Kit with gold details. So hashtag gold. Well, I'm checking this tutorial, another tutorial on the Instagram. It actually looks quite nice. I like the finish of it. And the highlight shine, it's there. It's like, if it's a little bit more shinier than this, it will be too much. But I really do love these eye patches underneath the eye. I think that is all that I wanted to say for today's video, and like I said, turn on the notifications because in the next couple of days we're gonna be reviewing another makeup releases, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below about what do you think about this palette, and is this something that you would like to purchase? Regarding color stories, is something that you use for yourself. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!